Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I am going to show you how we can create folders in your Windows 11. So if you have any projects or data you want to manage by creating folders, then you can follow this process. Okay, so let me start with the video. Here I am on my home screen in Windows 11. Okay, if you want to create the folders here, you can just right click here and just go to the new and create the folder and rename it like this. Okay, if you want to rename again, you need to just select that, hit the F2, or you can simply right click on it and go to the rename and rename your folder like this. Okay, so this is your desktop folder. Okay, if you open it from under this, you can also create the more folders like this. Okay, it is like subfolder. Okay, you can create the new subfolders under the main folders and you can open it. So we are into my main folder. Okay, and this is, we have two subfolder. If I open it, you can see this is my main folder, this is my sub folder. Okay, here also you can create the new folders to manage your data. And at your left side you can see this is all my folders, downloads, documents. This is the window folders like. Okay, from here also you can create the new folder like this. And this is my computer where we have drive. So maybe in your computer you have some drives. So this is my window drives. In this drive I have installed my Windows 11 software. Okay, so basically I don't save any files under this. I use this Google local T. Okay, so if you want to save your files in local drive, you need to open it by clicking double click on it. Just open it. Once you open, you can see like this, you can see all your files and all. Okay, you need to just right click on it, same, you can create the new folders. Okay, and this is downloads, document, this is all Windows folder. Okay, whatever save here, it will be saved in your window drive. Window drive is your C drive. In my case I have C drive. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.